Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Rich Man. In fact, guys, what is about to happen? And what is happening? Guys, what a shocking news. I can't believe this. Arsenal and Bayern Munich, they are trying Chelsea, guys. Munich and Arsenal are trying Chelsea. Bayern Munich and Arsenal, they are calling for trouble. And they are looking for trouble. And if they want trouble from Chelsea, they will get it. They will get it. Guys, can you believe that? As Chelsea is discussing about Xavi Simon transfer, Xavi Simon coming to Chelsea, Arsenal and Munich, they are under doing luku to hijack the transfer. Arsenal and Munich, they are under trying everything possible to hijack Xavi Simon transfer. I can't believe this. As I said, they are calling for trouble. They are looking for trouble. Guys, this is the information. Before we come on, do more talks about this. This is it, guys. Bayern called several times this week to be informed of Xavi Simon, and Arsenal is interested and has talked to his agent. However, Chelsea are clear favorite. Let me read it again, guys. Bayern called several times this week to be informed of Xavi Simon, and Arsenal is interested and has talked to his agent. However, Chelsea are clear favorite. Guys, as I said, they are talking to Xavi Simon agent. Bayern Munich and Arsenal. Yes, they are trying to sign this guy. As we are speaking now, Chelsea and his agent and his representatives, they are having talks about him coming to Chelsea. And Arsenal and Munich, they are doing everything possible to sign him. And see, I want to send this warning to Arsenal. Arsenal, listen. You are in London, benefiting the good name we are bringing to London, benefiting the major trophies we are bringing to London, benefiting the way and manner Chelsea is hyping London, benefiting the way and manner Chelsea is putting London on the map. For that matter, every season, anytime that we bring those major European trophies, yes, Arsenal names always come because Arsenal is also a London club. Chelsea, we are bringing all the European trophies, the major trophies. For that matter, it is hyping your name small. Arsenal is also in London as Chelsea. Chelsea and Arsenal, they are all in London. For that matter, you are getting the good name. Arsenal, if you are not taking care, if you don't remove your hands from this transfer, the good name and the little good name you are getting from London, it will stop. We will remove you out of London and we will send you out of London. I'm telling you, guys, if Arsenal trying to hijack this transfer, them being in London and getting the good names, as I said, we'll chase them away. We'll chase them out of London. I'm telling you. So Arsenal, better remove your hands from this transfer. That is why for me this season I like United. Everybody rejected them. So for that matter, for United, they are not even trying anything again. So Arsenal, be like Manchester United, especially when it comes to Chelsea. If Chelsea want a player, keep yourself aside and keep yourself away from that player. No. You can't sign Xavi Simon. As far as Chelsea started the talks, you can't sign him. As we read, guys, that Chelsea is the clear favorite. And a message or a warning to Bayern Munich also. Munich, I respect you a lot. I'm telling you. But don't let me add you to these teams. When PSG was dominating, beating everybody, I said it here before even the club tournament started. I said it here. Chelsea, I want PSG. I want to stop PSG. I want the world to know that PSG is a small team. When we come to Chelsea, PSG is overrated. PSG is calm. So many people came under the comment section. Oh, Richman, you are being delusional. Yes, if Chelsea is going to play against PSG, just count the number of goals PSG is going to give to Chelsea. What 6 goals. I told them that, see, I know my Chelsea. I know the Chelsea I'm supporting. I know my Cucurella. I know my Caicedo. I know my Nicola Jackson. And I know my Sanchez. So for that matter, I want Chelsea to face PSG and stop them. And luckily at the end it happened. Yes, fortunately at the end, even in a final, we humbled them. We showed the world that indeed Chelsea, we are bigger than them. Yes, indeed Chelsea is a big club. So I listed PSG and Barcelona for Chelsea to humble them. Next season, I want Cucurella, I want Neto, I want Estavo, I want Kolpama and Co to end Yamal career. Overrated Yamal. I said that I want Chelsea to end Dembele and Mendy's career. It happened. As we are speaking now, Mendy's career has ended because of Gusto. Because of Manuel Gusto. On that day, on the final day, Gusto pocketed Mendy's. Up to now, he's still in Gusto pockets. So as we are speaking now, Barcelona also, I want Chelsea to meet them next season. See, I want Chelsea to grab Barcelona. Because this season, the way they beat Real Madrid, home and away, what and what, they are making noise. Come and see here, Barcelona fans, as if they win the Club World Cup trophy, as if they win the Champions League. They are like parrot. They can make noise because they beat Real Madrid in all aspects of their game. They are making. So next season, I want Chelsea to face Barcelona and stop them and end Yamal career also. And end Rafinha career. Yes, as we ended Mendy's, Dembele, Kvaratskhelia, and co career. And for Donnarumma, I will not even talk about him because as we are speaking now, Donnarumma also is still in the pocket of Cole Palmer. Yes, Cole Palmer have Donnarumma in his pocket. So Bayern Munich, don't let me add you to this list. To those teams, I want Chelsea to humble next season. To those teams, I want Chelsea to end their career next season. Bayern Munich, don't let. Okay. I want Chelsea to meet Bayern Munich next season. I want Chelsea to meet. We're already down with PSG. Now 11 with Barcelona. And now I add Bayern Munich. Bayern Munich, next season we are coming. Prepare. We are coming to give it to you. So guys, Xavi, Simon, Arsenal and Munich, they are also trying to hijack the transfer. They are also trying to sign him. But as we are speaking now from Fabrizio, Chelsea and his representatives are having talks about his transfer and nothing stopped. Yes, some fans are saying that maybe the transfer stopped. That is why things are quiet. No. They are still discussing about it secretly and under. And things are advancing well. As we are speaking now, it's all about the fee and the wages and the contract length. So even Chelsea haven't sent any official buy. They are discussing, our owners are discussing with RB Leipzig. Yes, the team and his representative to see if they can come into consensus, to see if they can come into agreement. So that is holding the deal for now. Nothing stopped. The deal hasn't stopped, guys, and the deal will not stop. At the end of the day, Xavi Simon will come to Chelsea and not Bayern Munich or Arsenal. By the way, RB Leipzig also want to sign Kenechukwu Wemeka. So as they are doing the discussion, they are having it separately. Yes, they want to sign Kene, and Chelsea also want to sign Xavi Simon. So they are having the talk separately to sign Kenechukwu Wemeka. So that is all. Another reason why the deal is quiet like that. It is looking like it is taking time. Yes, I think 3 days now, they are still discussing about it. So they have to do everything proper. I'm telling you, UEFA and FIFA, they are observing Chelsea. Yes, anytime that we bring our loopholes, they will come and stop it. So for that matter, we don't have to go and rush things at the end of the day and get into problem. At the end of every transfer, FIFA and UEFA, they will come and check it to see if you don't inflate any price. So let's be patient, guys. Everything will work well. At the end of the day, Chelsea will complete the signing of Hito, and Xavi Simon and Kenechukwu Wemeka will go to RB Leipzig. Let's see. Let's wait and see. But before we move to the next topic, guys, please just remind you, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. And guys, please just remind you again, the JCs, the Chelsea shares are still available. If you are interested, yes, there's number on the screen. Yes, on the JC, the WhatsApp number. Yes, you can text me. Yes, both the home and away, and even outside Chelsea, Manchester United, Barcelona, any JC that you want. Yes, you can text me. Yes, and tell me about any JC that you want. If it is available, I will let you know. And if you want, yes, we'll package it and send it to you. So please, the number is on the screen. And the price for each JC is 130 Ghana cedi, as you are seeing on the screen. Yes, thank you in advance. Let's come to Hito. Hito transfer to Chelsea. This is the information, guys. Chelsea maintain active talks in the background for both Jarrell Hito and Xavi Simon. Both players very keen on Chelsea move, with Hito already agreeing personal term. Xavi advanced, talk club to club with Leipzig and Ajax regarding transfer fee. So guys, that is for Hito also. As we are speaking now for Hito, he already agreed personal terms with Chelsea. Yes, the length of his contract and his wages. Now they are discussing about the fee. Yes, it is our information said that Ajax want 50 million or 55 million for Hito, but Chelsea want to pay 35 million or 40 million for him. So that is the issue currently. But for the personal terms, Hito want to join Chelsea, already agree the contract length and his wages. So now they are discussing about the fee. So nothing stop about all these two transfers. Everything is happening underground. Yes, as I read from Fabrizio. So guys, let us be patient. Let us be positive. Everything will happen. I'm telling you, at the end of the day, what we want will happen. Because see, I can tell you thousands and thousands of reasons why we need Xavi Simon and Hito. Let me just give you some few reasons, because we can't give all the thousands in this video. This video will be long till next morning. So the first reason why Chelsea wants Xavi Simon, guys, see, Xavi Simon is a versatile player. He can play as attacking midfield. He can play as a left wing and right wing. And sometimes in football, we have another position called right midfielder and left midfielder. He can also play in those, yes, into the midfield position, that pocketed into the midfield position. Yes. So when this guy come to Chelsea, in case we don't have any of our attackers available, he can withstand or he can replace them. I'm telling you. In case we don't have Neto, in case we don't have Xavi, in case Gittins is not there, in case any of our wingers, because of his versatility nature, Xavi Simons is good to go. Xavi Simons will be a super replacement, I'm telling you, and a super sub. So this is the first reason why Chelsea want to sign Xavi Simons. And the second reason why is Cole Palmer. This season we saw it. Some games Cole Palmer will be tired. He needs a substitute. And nobody is there to take over from Cole Palmer. So Chelsea signing Xavi Simons, Chelsea bringing Xavi Simons, he will come and help Cole Palmer. Yes, he will come and be a better replacement for Cole Palmer. Yes, when the season begins, we are going to play FA Cup, Carabao Cup. Yes, in the beginning, some of us, we don't expect Cole Palmer to play those games. Yes, the initial stage, the first games in the FA Cup, yes, and the Carabao Cup, we need players like Xavi Simons, who can still be in Chelsea, yes, starting 11, and the competition still maintain, yes, and the highest quality performance football still maintain. Having a good player like Xavi Simons, if Cole Palmer is not there, he can go in and still play like we have Cole Palmer. I'm telling you. So this is another reason why Chelsea must sign Xavi Simons, or Chelsea want to sign Xavi Simons, because of him being a good replacement for Cole Palmer. And another reason why Chelsea want to sign Xavi Simons, guys, squad depth. Squad depth. Next season, we are going to play more competition. And not just play. We are Chelsea. We don't participate. We win. We play, we participate, and at the end, we win. Chelsea, we don't play finals. We win finals. So any competition Chelsea we are going in for, we are going to win it. Not to butter. No, like our brothers there. We are not bottless. So for that matter, Chelsea signing Xavi Simons, he will bring that squad depth. Yes, that in case we are going to play FA Cup, Carabao Cup, Champions League. Yes, any tournament we are going to play next season. Yes, we will not be using one squad to play in all tournaments. Yes, they are players. They are human beings. They are not robots. Yes, if one player or same batch are going to be playing all the tournament, it will come to a time that they will become tired. So having Xavi Simons, it will bring that squad depth and add that squad depth into Chelsea team. Yes, so that any time that we are playing different competition, we can change the players. We can, yes, actually change at least 5 players, yes, and still go ahead and win the game. So guys, these are the reason why Chelsea want to sign Xavi Simons. Yes, and for Hito there, another young talented defender, 19 years of age, he still have years future ahead of him. And even one thing I like about these defenders, if they come and can't pick it, or at the end doesn't pick it at their first season, they still have years ahead of them. Yes, to adapt to the Premier League intensity. And Hato, Liverpool is also chasing him, guys. Liverpool want to sign him, I'm telling you. But at the end, it is looking like the guy want to join Chelsea, or he want to come to Chelsea. And Hato is not a bad player, talented player. I like his mind reading, Thiago Silva caliber of defending. He's not using that much power. He is reading the game, timing the attacker, timing the striker. So this guy is a good player, and he will be a good signing. The issue was to be that he is a young player. Yes, 19 years of age. But for me, what is now giving me the hope and the belief is that currently our squad, yes, they are mature. Yes, currently the chemistry is there. So even if we bring young players who are talented, they will survive. I'm telling you. Currently, if Liverpool and Tosin is playing, you can see the chemistry, you can see the combo and the understanding. Be it Liverpool and Chiluba, any of our defenders, now you can see, yes, the chemistry. So no fear again. If Hito come, he can adapt well. He will learn from the likes of Chiluba, Tosin and co, Liverpool and co. So guys, for Hito also, this is the reason why Chelsea want to sign him. Let me hear from you in the comment section your opinion, your thought about all this signing. And as I said, nothing stop about this deal, this two transfer. It is happening and it is going to happen. Yes, Xavi Simons will come to Chelsea. Yes, Hito will come and Keno will go to RB Leipzig. And just to give you this update, yes, Fulham interested to sign Keenan Hall. Information even said they sent official buy to sign him. So Chelsea said if any team bring more than 30 million and above, they may consider selling Keenan. Let me hear from you in the comment section about Keenan Hall. Should Chelsea sell him? And also, Inter Milan asked about Andre Santos. Inter Milan, they asked about Andre Santos to see his availability. And let me hear from you also, should Chelsea sell Andre Santos, guys? And also, Benfica is pushing harder to sign João Felix for Benfica. They want the guy. and João Felix also want to go to Benfica, return to Benfica. So as we are speaking now, João Felix agent and Chelsea, they are having talks, and that deal is also advancing. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about all these transfers. Yes, and please hit the like button, leave a comment about these transfers we'll talk about, and any other player you still think Chelsea must sign, and our goalkeeping position. Please let me hear from you under the comment section, and I will reply on all your comments. Yes, take care, peace.